Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a friend or a message group as your favorites on your PlayStation 5 so you can always see them and easily access them and they don't rotate away when you get new messages. So what you want to do is open up the game base. So press the PlayStation button, go to game base on the bottom, and then go on down to messages. Then you can see your favorites right here. So I have the Diamond Team GG, the B Team, A Team, and then search browser where I just use this person to literally access the internet. So I have Twitch, Netflix, YouTube. I have all these different links in here and I can just select it and then open up the web browser. So like if I go to YouTube, so this can be very handy and convenient right here. So maybe I should make a video on that specifically. You just have to add them and then send them links and then click on them. Now to add them as a favorite, go to the group. You can create a new group, and once you have that group created, what you want to do is select it, go into the group, and then go to the three little dots for more, and then go to add to favorites. And there's going to be a little heart symbol at the top. Now if we scroll up, well, this is where your favorites are now, and you'll always be able to see that team or that individual on the top. So you can do this with your friends. Search-browser is one of my friends. Just a throwaway account I made just to send links to. And then the other ones are groups I created. Now the cool thing about this is we can select into this and then we can go to start a party chat right here, and everyone in the group is going to be receiving a party chat invite, so they can go ahead and just join freely, and then we don't have to go to invite to players and select the person. So this person just joined the party chat right now. Now I can go ahead and leave the party chat at any point in time, and they're saying, hey, what's up, Tim? And they're speaking to me. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech reviews coming up next on YourSixTech.